good. There's a brand oil at all. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new video. So this video I'll be showing you guys how to clean your engine bay. So actually right here I got a really dirty engine bay situation. I'm going to show you guys how to make it really clean and nice. Let me show you my engine first. You can see my engine. I have already taken off the engine cover. Don't worry if you haven't taken off the engine cover. The reason why I took off the engine cover, I want to make my engine really perfect and clean. So because you can see when you take it off your engine cover, you can see some oils and you can see muddy. So you have like so much access right now. You can clean it very nice and perfectly. And there are some few things you need to keep in your mind when you clean your engine bay. So I'm going to tell you one by one when I'm clean my engine. So first of all, we need to buy some chemical for the clean engine and also put this part inside the car as well, so then we can go to the car wash and clean car. So these two cleaner I'm gonna use to clean my engine bay. So here I got the degreaser and also tire shine. Well, I'm gonna put the degreaser in. Before you guys do anything, there's a two main steps you guys need to follow. The first step would be you guys need to make sure your engine is running while you cleaning the engine bay. Second most important thing, guys, you guys don't go very close to the engine when you're washing around the motor and filter, because the water can go into the filter and motor, which we don't want. So guys, make sure to do it very gently. Guys, so we back from the car wash. The engine is super clean, no oil at all, like it's really clean. So but it's a little bit wet. I'm gonna leave it overnight to get it dry, so then tomorrow morning I can go ahead and do the shining thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. And also guys, I'm gonna recommend you to do the pressure wash thing all the time. So if your engine is really dirty, just go for it. Or if you're trying to sell your car, so you can do it to get rid of oils and make it really clean and nice. I'll show you tomorrow morning how the engine look like.
Good morning.
Now I'm gonna use the tire shine to make it clean and nice. So let's go ahead and do this thing. god, there's a brand new engine situation going on here. So you can see engine is so clean right now. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and put the engine cover back in, and I'm gonna show you cinematic video after this. If you haven't watched the video about how to take off your engine cover and how to paint your engine cover, I'm gonna put the link in below. If you want, you can go and watch that video as well. Hope you guys enjoyed that. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.